Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back, and if you're new, then welcome. I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I made this cute scarecrow wreath using the pumpkin wreath frame from the Dollar Tree. Keep watching to see how I make it. I will be using one of the pumpkin wreath forms from Dollar Tree and some burlap that I got from Walmart on clearance for $3. First, I'm laying out the burlap, then placing the pumpkin wreath form on top. Then I'm cutting the burlap a little bigger than the pumpkin so that it can stretch around the frame. Next, I'm going to use some clips and hot glue to attach the burlap to the frame by laying a small line of glue on the edge, then folding the burlap over the frame and using the clips to hold it until the glue sets up. I continue gluing the burlap around the edge of the frame, making sure to stretch the burlap so that it's fairly taut across the frame. When I get to the stem, I just cut slits in the burlap and then fold the burlap through the stem and hot glue it to the frame. After the burlap is glued to the frame, I'm trimming off the extra burlap and gluing any places I may have missed. And here is how it's looking so far. Next, I cut a piece of burlap in the shape of a house with the bottom 21 inches across, the two shorter sides are 8 inches, and the top two sides are 14 inches. This will be the hat. I'm going to paint the burlap using Waverly chalk paint in the color Truffle. This is how the hat is looking so far. I wanted it to look a little bit worn so the paint is splotchy in places. Next, I'm going to fold the hat in half and glue the top edges together, starting about 3 inches from the shorter sides and going to the tip of the hat. Then I'm going to turn the hat right side out, and with my scissors I'm just making sure that the hat is pointy. Now I'm going to stuff the top half of the hat with some stuffing from an old pillow. This is just to give it a little structure. Next, I'm going to attach the hat to the wreath by sliding it over the top and adjusting the bottom of the hat so that it's even. Once I get it the way that I want it, I'm going to add a little hot glue to the middle of the bottom part of the hat to secure it to the wreath. Then I'm going to turn the wreath over and add glue to the top edges of the wreath to secure the hat. Now I'm going to take some raffia and start gluing it under the brim of the hat. I'm only putting it in a few places, but you can add as much or as little as you like. Then I will trim the raffia so that it's not too long. Next, I'm going to paint on a face using a black paint pen from the Dollar Tree and a red paint pen from Walmart. I just make a triangle for the nose, 2 circles for the eyes, and a big stitchy smile. Then I add 2 sparkles in each eye with white paint from Apple Barrel. Now I'm taking some nautical rope from Dollar Tree and I'm just going to tie it around the bottom of the hat. I trim off the end and add a little hot glue to keep it from fraying. Then with a little dab of hot glue, I secure the rope to the sides of the hat. I added a hanger using a pipe cleaner to the back of the wreath in the middle where the frame comes to a V by feeding it through the burlap and making a loop. Next, I'm going to add 2 sunflowers I got from Dollar Tree. I pluck the flowers and the leaves off the stem. Then I remove the plastic backing from the flower and the leaf. Add the leaf to the flower and replace the backing of the flower. I snip off the little part that's sticking out, and then I add hot glue and attach it to the wreath. And here's how the wreath turned out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!